Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create polls and view vote details on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create a poll and simply view its details, then you can simply tap open your WhatsApp app. Once you open it, scroll down to the chat where you want to simply post a poll. Once you have done this, tap on the paperclip like icon, and there you can find the option called poll. After finding the poll option, you can simply ask a question and give options and hit on the arrow like option to send this poll in this particular group. Once you have sent this poll to the particular group, the poll will appear in the chat and everyone can start voting. Now, to see your live counts under each section, you can simply tap on it, and once you tap on the poll, you can tap on view your votes. You will now see each option listed, each name of the participant who selected that option, and timestamp of when they voted on the same versions. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.